Hello, my children. Hey, Master Splinter. You know, Santa Claus as well sent all of you need to make a wish list. For Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Yep. Hmm. Well, uh, I've been always wanting to have my very own YouTube channel. Hey, Don. Oh, hey, Harold. You already have your own YouTube channel. Really? Yep. Yeah, see? Ah. Okay.
Pizza.
Really? Mm-hmm. That better not be just it.
It's not.
Ah, good. Well, I've been wanting to have new weapons since, I see. What I want for Christmas is actually very simple. Oh, what is it that is super simple? The most simple gift of all, what I really, really want, is very simple. A new body. What? What? What?
What?
Yep, a new body. Um, what do you mean by that? A body, yep, a body. No, seriously. What do you mean by body? A new body. Like, the one body I want to use? Okay, why?
Yeah, do I.
Why? Why, my son? Well, after the, Squid Game where, you died, Raphael. Oh, yeah, because my hands were big and. No, my hands were big. Is that you're very impatient? Yeah, that's about it. Not because my hands are big, because I'm very impatient. Huh. I should work on that. Yeah, you really should. Anyways, after the Squid game, which
So, our Nicktoons Squid Game winner is the Ninja Turtle in Blue, Leonardo. Out of all the eligible Nicktoons, Leo was the most well-rounded. He was strong, smart, fast, patient, able to work in a team, and most importantly, willing to do what it took to save his own life and win in the end. For that, we're happy to award Leo with the prize money and the title of Nicktoons Squid Game Champion. But let us know in the comments section if you agree with our ranking. And
yeah, I was the Squid Game champion. Yeah, I defeated Jimmy Neutron, and let me tell you, it wasn't easy. It turns out that he was been cheating, and he shot me in the leg. He literally cut it off with ease, and I can no longer walk properly. I can no longer kick properly, which isn't helping any of you guys. And I'm literally the leader, and I think that I need a new body. Because, look. Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Get past me. Oh my god! Yeah, I know. It's disturbing. My son. That's your leg. Yep. Yeah, and I died in the Squid Game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, be prepared. No. I I've wanted a new body, and I don't think that leg is used for me.
Dude, can I keep the leg?
I'm not even gonna ask. But no.
Oh well.
Ah! Well, Leo, you're in luck because AE Studios is kind enough to buy you a new body. Really? Can I see it? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, I have you. Whoa. Leo. Leonardo. All right. Let me just get it. Okay, here you go. Whew. Man, this thing is kind of heavy. Okay. Ah, there we go. Here you go. Oh my god. My body. My god. It's here. It's finally here. Hold on. I hope it's shorter than me. I don't care the height. I just want to kick properly again. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let me open it. Ah! That is right, guys. We have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem Leonardo action figure. The leader. So this is a packaging. As you can see right here. This is the picture of Leonardo and him in the box. Ooh, got really cool designs. Splinter and the skull. The shell, the turtle and shell dead. Lightning bolts. And the name at top of him. Warning. Choking hazard, small parts, no for children under 3 years. Luckily, I'm older than that. 4+. As that playmate. Let's check out the back. Collect them all. I may or may not will buy some of these guys. Maybe. It'll be a maybe if I will collect all of them. It's a maybe. Alright. Mutant Mayhem. Busting out of the New York scene are 4 Baguio brothers ready to kick butt, born from Mr. Mutant Ooze. These turtles, tubular turtles, and their radical rat dad have trained in the art of ninjutsu to become a bad guy bashing super team. With their buddy April O'Neil, they're about to face the greatest mutant the world has ever seen. YouTube.com, the website. Dontel will check those later. Nickelodeon movie, Paramount Plus, yada yada. Leonardo, Leo's the leader. Well, he wants to be. He dreams of leading his brothers to become an unstoppable crime-fighting team. So, what if no one takes him seriously? Weapon, twin katana, dream to be a fearless leader. Raph. There's name. TMNT right there. It might be a possibility if I buy the other characters. It's a maybe. Anyways, enough waiting. Let's open it up. Alright. Voila. Yeah. Oh, wait. Whoa, so this is all the weaponry, and there's a pizza. Huh. Alright. Now let's check out Leonardo. Oh yeah. Alright. Get out of there, Leo. Hold on. Get out of there, Leo. Boom! Wow, he looks incredible. Wait. Hold on. Please be shorter. Wait. Can't tell. Huh. But, let's see, I'm taller. Look, Raph, I don't really care. Hey, shorty. Oh, okay, I'll leave. Jeez. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wow, I gotta say, Leonardo looks incredible. Yep. Wow. This is one of the most... Okay, the knees doesn't really bend, but the shell looks good. I'm not gonna remove his head. I'm gonna make sure I'll keep this on. Man, kind of tight, but he still looks pretty cool. Wonder if he can... Now I gotta say, Leonardo looks fantastic. Yep! Woo! Man, Leonardo looks good. And this must be Leonardo when he's not mutated. And whoa. Are these all the weapons? Probably is. And this is a mini... This is a knife. I'll just get rid of that red part that I don't think you need. There we go. Well, looks cool. Even though some of these aren't fully colored. This is all of the accessories. This is the knife. And the throwing knives. And a broken up mutant ooze. And a silver pizza, which I'm pretty sure it's not safe to eat. So, there you go. Leonardo looks honestly fantastic. Let me just, oh, come on. Go in there. Looks incredible. And, yeah, that's about it for this really cool action figure. Now, will I collect the other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Will I collect the other 8? 8 characters. Or should I say 9, because 8 1, yeah. Maybe. It's a maybe. It depends on how much money I have. It really depends. And I'm not trying to spend all my money on, toys. Action figures. Oh boy, I can't wait. My son, are you sure you want this? The new body. Yes, I do. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you should... No, I want it. Are you sure, dude? Yes, I am very positive. I honestly don't know. Why are you so unsure? You should have been happy or proud, at least. Because, my son, once you get into your new body, there's no coming back. Trust me. I know. Retro mutagen. And besides, trust me, I want this. Do you really think I like my old and broken body? Because my leg. Look, see? Ew. Do you want this body? Want to live with this? Have no katanas? Okay, fine. Go ahead. Oh boy. Goodbye, stupid old body. Alright, Leo. Say hello to your new body. And guess what? You'll never come back. This body will never return. Okay, it will return if I lose your new body. What? But, you know, oh boy. My son, how do you feel?
Leo, are you okay?
Yeah, Leo, are you alright? Leo, are you there? Yep. How do you feel? I feel incredible! My leg is it's fixed. I can walk now properly. Woo! I can jump properly. I can do a drop kick. Woo! I love this new body already. And it came with a lot of accessories, which I will never use because of reasons. I'll still use my katanas, but there is a pizza. Pizza? You're not having that pizza. So yeah. Well, I hope you like your new body, I guess. Oh my god, this is incredible! Yes! Well, I'm glad my son is happy. Yeah, me too. I'm glad that my brother's happy.
I wish I had a new body too.
Yeah. Well, even though I get annoyed by how much I lost my hands a couple of times, I kind of actually like my body. Besides losing my hands with you. But if I get a new body, I would be okay with it.
You know, I wish I had a new body.
Yeah, me too. Because I really don't like holding this bow staff 24/7.
Yeah, I want to hold nunchucks.
Well, it really depends, you two. Alright. Promise? It's not really a promise. Alright.
Woo! I love my new body. I love my new body.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoy my new handsome look. I will miss my red stripes. Which I gotta say, I look like nothing. I do look handsome though. I do love the ninja stars in the elderly yo. Psh, lame. Hey, it's cool. The initials on the belt, letters represent your first name. That's the most boring thing I ever seen. Ow! Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you'll never miss another video again. Alright, goodbye. Hiya!